Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy and Halal. Today I'll be showing you how to make a healthy chicken burger. So first, use a food processor to grind the chicken breast and add one whole egg. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 2 cups of whole wheat breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chilli or paprika, and salt to taste. Check if all ingredients are mixed well with the meat, and if required, grind more. Make round balls out of the mixture and start preparing the patties. Patties are ready to cook now. Heat up the pan and put some oil. Add the burger patties to the pan and cook it until it turns golden. Make sure you do it for both sides. Now top it with slice of cheddar cheese, cover and cook for at least 2 minutes. So make sure you have the onion rings, sliced tomatoes and lettuce ready. Let's prepare a special sauce for the chicken burger. First, add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil mayonnaise, which is the healthy one, and add 1 teaspoon of sriracha to make it spicy, and then add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt to keep it healthy, and for some extra protein. You can even substitute Greek yogurt for mayonnaise completely for making it even more healthier. I'm gonna use whole wheat buns for my chicken burger. Go ahead and warm up the whole wheat buns on a pan. Spread the special sauce on top of the bun. Stack burger patty and the veggies on top of the bun. Chicken burgers are now ready. I'll promise you guys, you will love the burgers. Leave a comment below if you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.